Good afternoon, Logan. Yesterday we checked in about your progress on all the components, the high voltage conduit.
Yep.
Where are we at today?
Well, today we've been doing some dash work. We got all the gauges in, and we're doing a little bit of some like cover plating on the transmission tunnel. For now, I think that's as much plate as we'll do, and we'll leave the rest of it open for the show. We buttoned up the rest of the high voltage, and we actually got the whole rear panel like cut to match the cable, so everything kind of fits well. It's not on right now. We installed our low voltage panel and are kind of finalizing some of these looms in here, as well as the charge port on the front. That's the thing I'm honestly most excited about. We've got that in place, so when we put the cowl on, it's going to be just like front and center in the grill, and I think that'll be pretty neat.
Why did we decide on going with the charge port being at the front for this build?
It's a kind of the easiest place to hide it, really, and it'll also, you know, we have space here. The other options were like on the side in here or in the rear, and we kind of ran out of space over there. So the charge port, I think we ended in the best spot it could have been, but also it was out of necessity.
That's awesome. So what kind of are the next steps, or what are you looking for in the next few hours or days for this build?
Well, hopefully by the end of today we'll be driving. We need to finish off mainly the connector for the low voltage going to the rear of the vehicle. This connector is all the wires that go to the back, and I need to finish doing the pins and connecting that whole thing up. And then we have one more circuit for like how our key turns on and ignition and all that. It's a little bit tricky the way we're doing it. So we're figuring it out. We don't have like a gear selector in the traditional sense for an EV. You don't have like forward, reverse buttons, which is what the system wants. We're using a physical gearbox, so we need to get creative on how to tell the car we want it to drive when we want it to drive, and so forth.
Awesome. Well, I'll check in tomorrow on your progress, Logan. Thank you for the update.
Awesome.